Kanigadiga Dudashe MEGHALAYA ipdang sabhai pi baro shakatup kubor mitaka janmit. Hashwa bin pash ki kubor ki babnai pitch mic mat bakongsan. Bintikna ka sarkar na kabintaka jingya bet ki election ADC la shay kasni. Ni ki polling officer banlet ki jakat hep vote ban bintikna ka jingya bet ki jakat vote na lor ka jikpen klan ya ki bor pahara. Lapa ya shipongot ki General Observer nakabenta ki election KHASI ba JHADC on Chief Secretary. Yes nok tilang ka dream mission bikinong yelam niam bani kun persyayu drop ka MEGHALAYA. But bam smai ka Rekha Gupta kum ka menteri rang ba bathmai ka Delhi. Ki kubor ki babnia. Haka jingelang kemi bnia badang shen u chief secretary ke jela uba DP walang la pentikna babaro ki lajeng perkrek bedon kamna ka benta ke election sha ka KHADC ba JHADC ki long ki bla bit labyang bad bala penkrek pura. Ula banjur ban pha sho ye ki bor pahara shi jakat hep vote bedon jingma hasilintar ka kapot jong asam bat Bangladesh haringkat ke jing penklan ling ba ki kin hon pahara na rilom garo. Kumbak kalong Kam shimla don ka nugu jeng kurup ka bahe ka blayop diang ha ka por jong ka samoy election. U chief secretary lakdo ba ka negade na mar ka jeng long jai ba jeng perking ha ka be day ka jeng yalap. Ula shim kya ru ha ka be day ba ka jeng sawa ka bami ni ka jeng yalap election ha ka por long examine da ka babu jeng mut ba namar ba ka election kaya tengku ba ka examine la pentre kamru ka jeng perking ha ka be day ba ka jeng sawa sur hadian ka shpo ba jeng min. Ulapan syairu ba on don kinu ki kindon bekerpang na kabentai beduna document but ki nong tap vote bala rang ba hakani ka kenti na ba ki kindon ki appear na kitu jo ka Election Commission of India ka sarkar jela ka laitre langru but ki bor penya ka Assam ban petikna ka jingya bet ya renti jong ka jing tap vote claim kinu jing penthut.
The polling stations along the border areas with Assam as well as with Bangladesh also have been taken extra care. In the Election Commission of India notification, we have special arrangements for the differently able voters as well as the aged voters. But in the District Council, there is no provision under the rules. We have given details about the movement of the various polling parties. And he has assured that there won't be any hindrance at all. Some of the polling parties will have to pass through Assam. And full cooperation has been sought from Assam, and we have made it very, very clear that no noise should be generated after 10 o'clock. And
Kumbalabu by election sa KHASI Hills but Giant Hills Autonomous District Council kan long lasay kasngi. Kibor ba dikmi kilapan klan ya kibor pahara ban pentik na ya kajing ya ibet ya renti jong kajing tap vote. Ki polling officer hakasngi palay kilami benlet shala ki jong ki jakat hep vote na ISBT mauyong kaban kentup ya palat saulak ngut ki nong tap vote tang hasilong marway ka deputy commissioner ikong RM Kurba ila pentik na bala pha ya news pa khat way tli ki ken hon ki polling officer na lor ki bor pahara bala pha shu na ka bentaban khmi ya kasuk kasan u SP City ka East KHASI Hills u Dr. Dara Azwaghosh ula ong ba lapin ithu yalai pu South li ki jakat hep vote ba donjingma bat santali ki way pat ba kham donjingma haringkat ki bor pulit ke jela bat ki kin hun quick reaction ki bandon hakeleng ke district hakajo ke por ki don ru kandai spa lai pu itli ki jakat hep vote ki blapen ngat haka thop kerdan P1 bat P2 zone na ka benta ka jing sngai ka ba man pha ka jing nyaw ya ki vote kan long ka arpusaw tarik rimpang arhajar arpusan.
Yesterday, some of them have left the far-flung, polling station where they have to walk on foot. And today, Major Chung is going today. And the preparation is okay. I mean, I hope everyone's happy. About 700, almost everyone. Yesterday, 22 of them left. So out of that 733, so 711 today.
As per the East KHASI are concerned, there are 931 polling stations, and we have divided into P-2 and P-1. Actually, in P-2 yesterday, about 33 polling stations, the polling parties have been deployed. Apart from this, there are 34 vulnerable polling stations and 5 critical polling stations.
Chief Secretary Kajala ba DP Watlang hinin kasi ula ong bala depan pa ya si pongot ki General Observer ni kinong pet permana kabenta ka arpuay terik urempang ban kmi binia ya ki election sa ka KHADC ba GHADC. Baro ki don shispa ka saungot ki kertong ki bani airing ha ki election sa ka GHADC pakentup ya shispa nyongot ki shinrang ba nyongot ki kentai. Kat baki don shispa asan pu prangot ki kertong ki bani kuna ki election sa ka KHADC ki pakentup ya shispa sau pun riungot ki shinrang bat khat arngot ki kentai. Ka KHADC kan don hadu shi hajan riu spa an riu kandai tli ki jakat vote. Kat baki GHADC ka don sau spa nyo punyo tli ki jakat vote. Kajing don kinong tep vote ka KHADC kalong kandai lak kandai pun rio hajar san spa kat prangut kat ba ha GHADC kalong lai lak kat ar hajar lai spa ngut ka constituency ka ba hetam ha KHADC ka dei ka maulai haring kat sau kandai hajar praspa sa puengut kinong tep vote kat ba ka baritam ka dei ka jayaw haring kat nyo hajar shispa sau pu prangut kinong tep vote ha GHADC ka bahetam ka day ha mutlong so kempor ha ringkat kat sau hajar shispa an riu punyo kinong tap vote
and we have the total number of 114 candidates 114 candidates for Janta Hills Autonomous District Council, out of which 107 are male and 7 are female. In KHASI Hills District Council, we have a total of 158 candidates, out of which 146 are male and female, about 12 numbers. The smallest constituency in KHASI Hills is in Jaya. It's only about 17,148.
Kibor Penya District Karibhoy kilong kibala pinkre pura nakabenta ka election sa KHADC haringkat kajing pinbiang ya kibor paharabas kem banpetik nai kajing ya ipa ya renti hakas ngi tap vote ka additional deputy commissioner ka kong balakin tiurani kala pentip bala dapat pinkre ya lai spa lai puai tili ki polling station hakeleng jogi santli ki constituency hapo ka district nakini khandru tili ki itho kum ki jaka ki bedon jingma bat khat south tili ki wei pat ki bakham don jingma Kibor pulit ke district la pentri kami kibor pahara bakam perking da ka bapak pulit ki jaka ki bala bandon ke jingma kibor pahara ken long ki bapet ngor ha baro jong ka por tap vote da ka bobot dia ni ka jinglong jingman ban khanglat na kinu ki jing pentut
Haribhoy district gidon khat south li ki critical polling station but khandriu li ki vulnerable polling station kajing pun create na kabanta kini ki critical vulnerable police station galong kumni kumangala itu manhagani ba ngila ki police personnel kila adon lupa kumba 3 companies apo Haribhoy district kalong ba ki critical but ki vulnerable PS ngibu iki security khambon hang tu gidan samut ki armed personnel but UAE unarmed.
Deputy Commissioner Jong West Janta Hills District Abhinav Kumar Singh mentakasi ulapan tip hakabai day but kijing penkret nakabenta ke election sa district council da kapapinti kanaba shispa prapu artli ki kenhun polling officer kila don hakelinti ki jaka ki blabu benta but lakmi linti ba kijing penkret on pendap ha kabakut jong kanigasngi UDC ulapan pau ban penjur dia kilat pahara kamtam ki jaka kaput ban pinti kanai ke election ke basngan Ulapan iru ya kiru kompenya nakabenta ka rukom nyo vote kablabo haka arpusaw terik urimpang.
We are having 182 polling parties which will be leaving. As we talk, there already the material disbursement, the EVM disbursement have started along with the security personnels. And as an appeal to the public, I would request everyone for the maximum voting participation. And we have been in touch with our Assam counterpart and who have assured us with regard to the cooperation from their end. So no voter would be hindered when they would be casting their electoral franchise. And we can assure that yes, one can and one will under West Janta Hills would cast their vote freely and fairly. So that's all from my side. Thank you.
Na kabenta ke election MDC 8,000 ke jing thap vote kan senang nadu ke popra beje la shai ke singi hageleng ke jaka thap vote beper Henry Kiriu Shemet ki bedon ha ka kam ke bede ke election ki besa shajngai na ki constituency ki jongki ki la thap vote limba ki postal ballot ashwa katarik jong ke election. Kani ka jing penbait berpetikna bikin la bani shim benta ka jing thap vote wat la kim la bandon ka singi thap vote balabo. Drug Reduction, Elimination and Action Mission. Hene kasngi kala lum ya kajengelang bat kinong lam niam ha State Convention Center shalong bat thaula thaulenti. Badi kun persya kajeng kerni ki kam di drug. Menteri Ketnat Social Welfare uba polling do ula banjur halor kajeng don kam jeng kikin hun niam ban ajeng hikai sekipat ba bat ban penbiang yi kila jeng penbet na kabenta ke imlang sa lang. Kajingalang kala banjur halor ki sinjam bakongsan bakentup iki early prevention program. Kajing tuklar haki jaka pedeng lembat ki riu bat an haringkat kajing terelang bat ki NGO na kabenta ka bedai bat kajing sumar. Na kaliang ki kunhunyam kin shimru ya kabenta ban kershan hadir kajing sumar bakentup kajing ai jing hikai kaliang ki sap ki pong bat kajing selok. Kesorkar kalamang sanpo lak tingka na kabenta ki lat jeng persang banit relang haringkat kepisah ke balapan biang syuk kat kum ki jeng don kam ki bakirki.
Now we have reached out to faith leaders and not just addressed them, we have given them a format by which they can apply for support, both financial as well as technical, and we have a proactive mission director who has been traveling across the length and breadth of Meghalaya, also traveled to Kerala to familiarize himself with the situation. So we are absolutely proactive.
Ka MLA Beningkong jong ka BJP ka Rekha Gupta kalabam smai kum komentari rangba patmai jong ka Delhi haram lera maidan har kanong ba Delhi jong ka rimita kasngi. Lieutenant Governor ke Delhi UVK Saxena ulapan ya ya ke jeng bam smai kin riungut ki menteri sarkar Parvesh Sahib Singh u Ashish Sood Majendra Singh Sirsa Ravinder Indrat Singh u Kapil Mishra but Upankaj Kumar Singh ru klai bam smai u menteri rang ba du kari Narendra Modi bakatu kat ningut ki menteri ke sarkar pedeng kilai don lang hakani kesngi.
मैं विधि द्वारा स्थापित भारत के संविधान के प्रति सच्ची श्रद्धा और निष्ठा रखूंगी। मैं भारत की प्रभुता और अखंडता अक्षुण्ण रखूंगी। मैं मुख्यमंत्री के रूप में अपने कर्तव्यों का श्रद्धापूर्वक और शुद्ध अंतःकरण से निर्वहन करूंगी।
Mentang ini pek kejeng long jeman kesumeneng hatura. Kejeng krek kelong kat kendai degree Celsius, kejeng sit kelong 40 degree Celsius, kejeng singam kau hau meta kesingi kelong san punyau na kesispa. Habapai sya kenong bak shelong, kejeng krek kelong hinyau point degree Celsius, kejeng sit kelong kat kendai point degree Celsius. Kejeng singam kau hau meta kesingi kelong sau pun riau na kesispa. Kat bahaju waipat, kejeng krek kelong degree Celsius, kejeng sit kelong 40 degree Celsius. Kejeng singam kau hau meta kesingi kelong riau punyau na kesispa. Kasun beneng hatura berjuai kalak banrang ki bubun ki jaka kat bah shelong pat kalak bandon ke jenghap slap bemalu malah ki kat tu kan ki jaka. Swaban poi sebukut jautup ku bori pek biang sesian kemat pekongsan. Pentikna ke sarkar nak bentak ke jengyat bet ke election ADC la syai kesni. Mi ki polling officer benech ki jaka thap vote ban pitikna ke jing ya bet ke jing thap vote na lo ke jing petlan ki bor pahara. Lapa ya shipongut ki general observer na ke bentak ke election KHADC ban JHADC ong chief secretary. Yes nok tilang ke dream mission bagi nong lam niam ban yakun persya yo drop ha Meghalaya. Bam smai ka Rekha Gupta kum ka menteri rangba patmai ke Delhi. Dia perlu tu la pois bukut jong ke tu kubor singi mata ke jan mit. Hadu bendi syam yang berpilih syai kasi kublai pi baro.
The process of peace.